Hello my friends and welcome once again to another episode of Tony's Comfort Kitchen. And in today's video I'm doing a Nandos beating peri peri chicken wings recipe, and I'll tell you, it's absolutely delicious. First of all, I'm taking 1 kilo of chicken wings and I'm going to prepare them. First of all, taking off the sharp pointy end. Don't throw those away. You can put them in a freezer bag and keep them and make a stock out of them for another day. Now, as you can probably see, I'm making a bad job of cutting up these chicken wings. I'm sure you can do better. Basically, I'm butchering the art of butchering. If you don't want to do this part, I'm sure you can buy them ready prepared. And once they're done, it is time to put them into a bowl and put them in the fridge until it's time to use them. And next, it's time to make that wonderful peri peri sauce. Into a dry frying pan, I'm going to add 1 red pepper chopped up, 1 red onion chopped up too, roughly chopped up, 1 to 4 cloves of garlic, 4 or 5 cloves of garlic will do. And it's just a case of toasting these until they're nice and charred all over. Just keep turning them over. And when they're done, take them out and put them to one side. Then it's time to place all the pieces into a blender, a food processor. Now I must admit, my food processor was a little bit small, so it was a bit of a tight squeeze, but I got it in. Plus 1 to 4 red chilies. You can add as many chilies as you want. We always have a little bit of heat in this peri peri sauce, of course, so 4 chilies will do it in my case. 60 milliliters of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of hot smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of oregano, and 1 tablespoon of cumin. A good pinch of salt, and of course black pepper. And then I've grated up the rind of 1 lemon. I'm going to put half in now. And also half the juice of the lemon too. And it's just a case of blitzing it up. You might have to give it a few goes, scraping the bits down the sides, but eventually you should have a nice thick paste like this. Next, into the same frying pan, I'm adding a good splash of olive oil and then adding the paste. And we're going to cook it for a little while until the oil separates and rises to the surface. Should take about 10 minutes or so. After that's done, yes, I know it seems long-winded, but I'm putting it back into the blender. Along with the rest of the lemon zest, the rest of the lemon juice, and another 60 milliliters of vinegar. The vinegar of your choice, by the way. Plus 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then give it a quick blitz. And the sauce is done. what we need to do now is add half of the sauce to the chicken wings and give them a good mix up. I would recommend using gloves like I'm doing because it can get quite messy. And next we're going to dry fry the chicken wings. What we're looking for is a nice charred surface on each side, which will give them an extra smoky flavour. There will of course be too many to put into one pan, so you will have to do this in batches. And then once they start to char on one side, turn them over. I mean, don't they look fantastic? Turn them over and cook them again on the other side. And when they're cooked, chuck them all into a large bowl and pour over the rest of the peri peri sauce and give it all one final mix. Next, find a suitable oven-proof container. I'm just using the foil tray here. Lay the wings out on an even surface. Keep some of the sauce back and we can brush it over the chicken later on when it comes out of the oven. So now the wings go into an oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for around 15 to 20 minutes. And when they're out, they should look like this. Nice, charred and absolutely delicious. All that's left is to brush some of the sauce over each of the wings. If you're worried, the sauce should be fine because those chicken wings were pretty much cooked before they went in the oven. And there we have it, super delicious peri peri chicken wings which beat Nandos any day as far as I'm concerned. Once again, thank you for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please consider subscribing, and if you do, please also hit that notification bell and you will be notified of any videos that I upload in future. So take care, peace, love, and I'll see you all very soon.